I'm going to cooking spaghetti carbonara. Originally, carbonara is an Italian food dish from Rome. For this video, I use the base carbonara by Maggi, and I complement with chicken and bacon. I don't know cooking, and I don't like cooking. For this reason, I want to teach my wife for teaching me how cook this dish. I hope so you enjoy this video.
Pepper, salt, basil, thyme, spaghetti, milk, bacon, carbonara base to make the sauce, oil. To begin with, I needed to clean the kitchen with water. I remove the skin and the excess fat. I put the kitchen in the pressure cooker. I added water in the pot, sprinkled salt, pepper, basil, and thyme to taste for flavor. It's important to cut the bacon into small pieces. Fry without oil until it's fried. For the pasta, I needed to boil the water first and then spread the spaghetti out so they don't stick together. Then I added enough salt and oil to measure. I need to shred the meat and then add it to the sauce. At the end, I need to prepare the carbonara sauce. First, I need to add 2 cups of milk, and then I add the base carbonara by Maggi. Stir for 3 minutes on fire to thicken the sauce. Oh, I forgot. Add the shredded chicken and then the cut bacon.
Now, ready to eat them.